Yo, check this out. Pretty sick, right? That entire landing page you just saw, I designed it in under 5 minutes using AI. And I'm not joking. I have zero Figma skills. I'm not a designer. I just typed what I wanted and boom, it created this for me. So if you've been sitting on an idea for a website or app but keep thinking, I don't know how to design, this video is honestly perfect for you. Today I'm showing you Komposo. It's an AI design tool that lets you create legit professional-looking designs just by describing what you want in plain English. You can create web apps, mobile apps, landing pages, or even single components. And when you're done, you can export the actual code and plug it straight into development tools like Cursor or Claude. Now, there are plenty of other tools out there that do something similar, but what really sets Komposo apart is speed. Most AI design tools generate complex React code that takes forever to load and render. Komposo uses simple HTML and CSS, so designs generate way faster. All right, let's get into it. Okay, so when you first open up Komposo, you'll see this dashboard. Just hit Create New Project. Now, we're going to make a clothing brand landing page, like something modern and clean that would actually get people to buy stuff, you know? So here's what I'm typing. Create a premium streetwear clothing brand landing page with hero section, featured collection grid, about section, and newsletter sign-up. Modern minimal design with black and white aesthetic. Now, before we generate this, notice there's different modes here: web app, marketing website, mobile app, and component. Since we're making a landing page, I'm going to click Marketing Website mode. This basically generates those longer, full landing page layouts, instead of just single screens. You also got Fast Mode and Design Max mode here. Fast mode is quicker but slightly lower quality. Design Max takes a bit longer but looks way better. For this demo, let's just go with Fast mode so you can see how quick this actually is. Alright, I'm going to hit Generate and just watch this. Dude, that took like 15 seconds. Look at this thing. We got a full hero section with a bold headline, a featured products grid down here, an about section, and even a newsletter sign up at the bottom. And here's something cool. You can double-click anywhere on this or click the little interact button up here and you can actually scroll through it like a real website. You can also hit the preview button to see the site in a full window view. Now, let's say I'm looking at this and I'm like, you know what, I want to add customer testimonials. Super easy. I'll click Edit to a global edit and I'll just type Add a customer testimonial section with 3 reviews. Hit Generate and there we go. It just added testimonials right where I wanted them, and the styling matches everything else perfectly. All right, now this next feature is honestly one of my favorites, the image reference thing. So let's say you're scrolling through Dribbble or Pinterest and you see a clothing website design that you're like, yo, that's fire. I want something like that. You can literally just copy that image, paste it right into Komposo, and it'll use it as inspiration. Let me show you. I'm going to grab a fashion website design real quick from Dribbble. Now I'm just going to paste it into this prompt box. And then I'll type something like, create a luxury fashion brand landing page in this style. Include bold typography, large hero image, and product showcase. For this one, I'm actually going to switch to Design Max mode so we get the better quality. All right, let's generate this. Look at this though. It didn't just copy it exactly, that would be weird, but it totally captured the vibe, like similar minimal aesthetic, similar bold typography. This is honestly so useful because you're not starting from nothing. You can grab inspiration from literally anywhere, your favorite brands, competitors, whatever, and adapt it to your own style. Now, let me show you something that'll save you so much time. It's called variations. So let's say you just generated this landing page, but you're not 100% sure about the colors or the overall vibe. Instead of starting over, you can just click this variations button right here. You can choose how many variations you want, and then you pick between style variations or concept variations. Style variations keep the same layout but change up the colors, fonts, and visual style. Concept variations actually change the layout itself and the structure of things. I'm going to generate 2 style variations real quick in fast mode. Look at this though. We now have 3 completely different versions of the same landing page. Like one's got this vibrant, colorful look, another one's dark and moody, and the third is super minimal and clean. This is honestly so useful because you're not starting from nothing. You can grab inspiration from literally anywhere, your favorite brands, competitors, whatever, and adapt it to your own style. Okay, final step. Exporting this so you can turn it into a real website. Click this drop-down menu on any screen and you'll see you can export as HTML, PNG, or just view the source code directly. Now, if you actually want to build this into a functioning website, click that Export button at the top. Select which pages you want, choose your framework like Next.js for web projects, and Komposo creates this whole optimized setup file for you. You can literally copy this CLI command, paste it into Cursor or VS Code or whatever you use, and it sets up your entire project with all the design files already in there. So that's basically Komposo. It's an AI design tool that actually makes sense if you're not a designer. They have a free trial you can check out. I'll put the link in the description below. If this was helpful, definitely drop a like and let me know in the comments what kind of website you'd make with this. I'm actually curious.